Eggs, a seemingly simple breakfast dish, nature's compact powerhouse of protein, vitamins, and essential fats, have long been celebrated as one of the healthiest foods for any age. Eggs, a seemingly simple breakfast dish, nature's compact powerhouse of protein, vitamins, and essential. But here's a little-known truth. For adults over 60, the way you prepare and eat your eggs matters just as much as the eggs themselves. You may think you're doing your health a favor by starting your day with eggs. And you might be, unless you're making one of a few surprisingly common mistakes. The wrong cooking oil, a poor food pairing, repetition, or even a small storage slip-up can quietly turn this nutrient-rich food into a source of inflammation, cholesterol spikes, and digestive discomfort. So, are eggs helping your body, or slowly working against it? In this video, you'll uncover the 7 most common mistakes people make when eating eggs, why these habits hit harder after 60, and most importantly, simple fixes to make your egg meals safer, smarter, and more nourishing every time. If this is your first time here, hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on practical, science-backed tips designed specifically for your health and independence. Before we dive into the common mistakes to avoid, let's take a moment to remember why eggs are often considered one of nature's most perfect foods and often called a secret weapon for health. Eggs are a powerhouse of complete, high-quality protein, supplying all 9 essential amino acids such as tryptophan, methionine, cysteine, and arginine. These nutrients are key for muscle growth, repair, and maintenance, supporting stronger, healthier bodies. Each 100-gram portion offers approximately 10.6 grams of mostly unsaturated fats. These healthy fats play a vital role in reducing inflammation, maintaining cell membrane function, and promoting cardiovascular and brain health, ultimately lowering the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. They're also among the best dietary sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce blood triglycerides, improve cholesterol balance, and ease inflammation, protecting heart health as we age. Iodine and selenium, 2 minerals present in abundance, are essential for thyroid hormone production. A well-regulated thyroid contributes to energy balance, metabolic function, and effective weight control. Iron levels, 1.19 mmol per 100 gr, support the production of healthy red blood cells and efficient oxygen transport. Regular consumption helps prevent iron deficiency anemia, which can cause dizziness, fatigue, and reduced organ function. Choline is another standout nutrient, crucial for liver health. Studies show that higher intake of choline, especially when combined with betaine from sources like whole grains or beets, significantly reduces the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Cognitively, choline also plays a central role in neurotransmitter production and brain cell structure. Regular intake may help maintain memory, enhance cognition, and reduce the risk of disorders like Alzheimer's and age-related cognitive decline. Eye health benefits too. Eggs provide antioxidants like vitamin A, vitamin E, selenium, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all of which protect the retina and reduce risks of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Their low-calorie, high-protein composition supports weight management. They keep you full longer, reduce hunger, and stabilize glucose levels, making them ideal for anyone aiming to maintain a healthy weight. Bone strength is another advantage. With vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus, this food helps improve bone density, support connective tissues, and reduce the risk of osteoporosis and arthritis. Your immune system also gains a boost from vitamin B12 and selenium. These nutrients help defend against infection and reduce oxidative stress by neutralizing harmful free radicals. On a mental health level, the presence of B vitamins, iron, choline, and tryptophan contributes to improved mood, better sleep, and reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. For your appearance, nutrients like B2, B5, B12, and methionine support healthy skin, strong nails, and vibrant hair, enhancing both strength and elasticity. In short, when enjoyed the right way, eggs can support everything from muscle strength and brain function to heart health, vision, immunity, and even emotional well-being. But because they're such a nutrient-dense food, even small mistakes in how you cook, store, or combine them can quietly turn a healthy habit into a hidden risk. So, what are the 7 most common egg mistakes seniors often make without realizing? Let's dive in and take a closer look. Mistake 1. Cooking eggs with inflammatory oils. Eggs are naturally one of the most nutrient-dense foods, rich in high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and brain-boosting compounds like choline. Using the wrong cooking oil can turn your eggs from healing to harmful in seconds. Many people casually reach for vegetable oil, margarine, or cooking sprays, thinking they're harmless. It's just a bit of oil, they say. But most of these options are extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. When consumed in excess, especially without enough omega-3s to balance them, these fats become pro-inflammatory. That inflammation doesn't just affect your heart. It can quietly worsen joint pain, clog arteries, disrupt cholesterol levels, and even reduce your mobility. Particularly dangerous for older adults already dealing with slower circulation and stiff muscles. Here's what's even more surprising. Regularly heating these oils at high temperatures, like when frying or scrambling eggs, creates harmful oxidation byproducts. These compounds not only irritate your digestive system, but may also contribute to fatigue, mental fog, and even elevated LDL cholesterol over time. So, how do you keep your eggs healthy without losing flavor? The solution is straightforward. Use extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or ghee for cooking. These are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory fats. Try boiling, poaching, or steaming eggs a few times a week to reduce oil altogether. Rotate your cooking methods to reduce exposure to high-heat oils. Making this one small switch can help your body absorb the full nutritional benefits of eggs, without the inflammation. Mistake 2. Pairing eggs with processed meats like bacon or sausage. Eggs on their own are a powerhouse of nutrients, loaded with complete protein, choline for brain health, and antioxidants that support your eyes and immune system. But when paired with processed meats like bacon, sausage, or ham, those benefits can quickly get canceled out, or worse, reversed. This classic breakfast combo may be comforting and familiar, but here's the problem. Processed meats are packed with sodium, nitrites, artificial preservatives, and often hidden sugars. These compounds are strongly linked to chronic inflammation, arterial stiffness, and even increased cancer risk, especially colorectal cancer, according to the World Health Organization. When you consistently pair nutrient-rich eggs with inflammatory, chemical-laden meats, your body ends up dealing with more harm than good. Over time, this combination can raise blood pressure, disrupt cholesterol balance, increase risk of plaque buildup in arteries, and worsen joint pain or numbness in the legs due to poor circulation. Many older adults experience heavy legs, morning stiffness, or nerve sensitivity, and never realize it may be linked to their breakfast plate. So, how do you keep eggs on the menu while ditching the damage? Here are smarter, senior-friendly swaps. Replace processed meats with sliced avocado, steamed spinach, or grilled tomatoes for added fiber and healthy fats. Add a side of whole grains like oats or quinoa for better satiety and heart support. Season your eggs with herbs and spices instead of salt-heavy meats. This change doesn't just improve your cholesterol. It helps reduce daily inflammation and restores your breakfast as a source of healing and strength. Mistake 3. Eating eggs the same way every single day. Many people, especially older adults, fall into a pattern of eating them the same way every morning. 2 scrambled eggs, no veggies, same toast, same side. While it might seem harmless, Repetition without variety can lead to several health imbalances over time. Here's why. Eating eggs daily without fiber can slowly affect your digestion and raise cholesterol. Lack of nutrient diversity deprives your body of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in other foods like greens, berries, or legumes. It may also crowd out other healthy breakfast options, limiting your intake of magnesium, potassium, or plant-based phytonutrients that support longevity. Many seniors report symptoms like low energy, sluggish digestion, or nutrient deficiencies, not because of the eggs themselves, but because of dietary monotony. For example, someone eating only scrambled eggs on white toast with no vegetables or fruit may experience constipation, low folate or B12 levels, a creeping sense of fatigue or brain fog. So how can you keep enjoying eggs without falling into the same meal trap? Here are some easy upgrades. Rotate your preparation. Boiled, poached, or baked egg muffins with colorful veggies. Add greens like spinach, arugula, or kale into omelets. Pair with a side of fruit, chia pudding, or whole grain toast to introduce more fiber and antioxidants. By adding variety, you enhance nutrient absorption, support metabolism, and make breakfast something to look forward to, not just a habit on autopilot. Mistake 4. Storing eggs improperly in the fridge. Eggs seem simple enough to store. Most people toss the carton into the fridge door and forget about it. No harm done, right? Not quite. For seniors, improper egg storage can quietly increase the risk of foodborne illness, inflammation, and even digestive issues, all of which and become more serious with age. Here's what many don't realize. Eggshells are porous. That means they can absorb moisture, odors, and even bacteria from their environment. The fridge door, where most people store eggs, experiences the most temperature fluctuations, especially every time it's opened and closed. Leaving eggs at room temperature for too long or moving them in and out of the fridge can allow dangerous bacteria like salmonella to multiply silently. For older adults with a naturally weaker immune system, even mild contamination can trigger stomach cramps, nausea, fever, or worse. So, what should you do to protect yourself? Follow these safe storage tips. Keep eggs in their original carton, placed in the main body of the fridge, not the door. Avoid washing eggs before storing. This removes the protective layer that shields against bacteria. Never leave eggs out at room temperature for more than 2 hours. Always check the best buy date and use eggs while they're still fresh. Just one small change in your storage habit can protect you from weeks of digestive trouble or serious health risks. Mistake 5. Overboiling your eggs, turning a healthy food into a digestive burden. Have you ever noticed a greenish-gray ring around the yolk after boiling eggs? It's not a sign the egg has gone bad, but it is a sign it's been overcooked. And for seniors, this simple mistake can quietly lead to digestive trouble and reduced nutrient absorption. Here's what happens. When eggs are boiled too long, iron from the yolk reacts with sulfur from the white, creating iron sulfide, FeS, a compound that's harmless in small amounts but harder to digest and potentially irritating when consumed regularly. For older adults, whose digestive systems may already be more sensitive, eating overboiled eggs frequently can lead to bloating, stomach discomfort, slower digestion, increased burden on the liver. These issues may seem minor at first, but over time, they can contribute to chronic inflammation and reduced appetite. 2 things that directly impact strength, energy, and mobility in later life. So, what's the simple fix? Stick to a 7 to 8 minute boil once the water reaches a rolling boil. This ensures your eggs are perfectly cooked, firm but still easy to digest. Avoid boiling beyond 10 minutes, which increases the risk of FeS formation and nutrient degradation. Sometimes, just a minute too long can turn your healthy breakfast into a source of strain, especially for an aging body. Mistake 6. Eating raw or undercooked eggs. A hidden threat for seniors, some people believe eating raw or soft-boiled eggs preserves nutrients better. And while there's some truth to that, the risk far outweighs the reward, especially for those over 60. Why? Because undercooked eggs may contain salmonella, a type of bacteria that can cause serious food poisoning. For younger, healthy adults, the symptoms might be mild. But for seniors with weaker immune systems, the consequences can be severe. Infections from contaminated eggs can lead to diarrhea and stomach cramps, fever and nausea, dehydration, in serious cases, sepsis or even death. It's not just about comfort, it's about safety. The digestive and immune systems naturally weaken with age, making it much harder to fight off bacterial infections. Common high-risk dishes include raw eggs mixed with honey or milk, homemade mayonnaise or sauces, undercooked soft-boiled eggs that haven't reached a safe internal temperature, 70 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Celsius. So, what's the safe approach? Cook your eggs thoroughly until both the whites and yolks are firm. Avoid recipes that use raw or undercooked eggs unless they're made with pasteurized eggs. And even then, use caution. A simple habit could invite bacteria that your body isn't equipped to fight. And when it comes to senior health, prevention is always better than treatment. Mistake 7. Pairing eggs with the wrong foods. The hidden nutrient trap. Eggs are packed with high-quality nutrients, but what you eat with them can either boost or block their benefits. Unfortunately, many seniors unintentionally combine eggs with foods that interfere with digestion, nutrient absorption, or even gut health. Let's break down a few common but risky combinations. Soy milk. Often seen as a healthy beverage, soy milk contains trypsin inhibitors, which can reduce your body's ability to digest and absorb the protein in eggs. That means the essential amino acids in your breakfast may go to waste. Goose or rabbit meat. These meats are considered cold in traditional views and may be harder to digest when paired with the rich protein and fat content of eggs. For older adults, this combination may lead to bloating, sluggish digestion, or stomach discomfort. White sugar. A seemingly harmless sprinkle of sugar over eggs, especially in traditional dishes like sweet steamed egg, can create compounds that are hard to digest, contributing to digestive stress and reducing nutrient absorption. These aren't toxic pairings, but over time, they quietly chip away at the nutritional value of your meals and put more strain on your already sensitive digestive system. So what's the smarter approach? Pair eggs with digestion-friendly companions like steamed or sautéed vegetables, spinach, tomatoes, onions, whole grain toast or oats, fresh herbs or avocado for healthy fats. These foods not only complement eggs nutritionally, but also enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and promote better gut comfort. Eggs truly are one of nature's most powerful superfoods, rich in protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support muscles, brain function, heart health, vision, and more. But as we've seen, the way you cook, store, and pair your eggs can either unlock those benefits or quietly undo them. For seniors, these small daily habits matter even more. Whether it's using inflammatory oils, pairing eggs with processed meat, or boiling them until the yolk turns gray, each mistake chips away at the good you think you're doing. So next time you crack open an egg, you won't just be making breakfast. You'll be making a better choice for your health, strength, and independence. If you found this guide helpful, leave a comment to share which mistake surprised you most, or which one you plan to fix first. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another senior-friendly health tip. Together, we'll help you eat smarter, move better, and live stronger, one meal at a time.